first grade, let's go ahead and go over our vocabulary words for this week. Let's go ahead and get started. Our first vocabulary word is base 10 blocks. So right here, we're going to see 3 base 10 blocks. We have our ones, which is our little base 10 block, our tens, which is our 10 longs, and our hundreds block. Next, we have our tens. So let's look at this number 47. We're going to look at this first number, which is 4. 4 is in the tens place. So that means we are going to represent it with 4 tens, 4 10 longs. So right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. Next we have ones. So with our ones, let's look at the number 47 again. We're going to look at this last number, 7, and this represents our ones. So we have 7 ones. They're right here. Next, we have our place value chart. So our place value chart lets us know how many tens and ones a number has. So right here in the number 47, we have 4 tens and 7 ones. Standard form. Standard form is a digit form of a number and what we always see. So this is the number 247. So this is the standard form of this number. Expanded form. Expanded form is when we take apart a number. So let's look at the number 247 again. So in expanded form, we have 200 plus 40 plus 7. So it's still 247, but we just took it apart. Now let's look at represent. Represent is when we use our greater than, less than, or equal to symbols. When we want to represent what's greater than, less than, or equal to, we want to make sure we use the symbols. Next we have greater than. So greater than is which one has more, or what number is bigger. So right here we have 5 apples. So 5 apples is greater than 3 oranges. And make sure you use your greater than symbol. Less than. Less than is which number is the smallest, has the least amount, or what object has the least amount. So right here we have 2 apples and 5 oranges. So the number of apples is less than the number of oranges because the amount of apples is smaller than the amount of oranges. And this is your less than symbol, like this. Our last vocabulary word is equal to. Equal to is when you have the same amount or you have the same number. So we have 5 apples and 5 oranges. So 5 equals 5, or the amount of apples is equal to the amount of oranges because they have the same amount. So they're equal to. So these are our vocabulary words for this week. Keep reviewing them. I'll see you next time. Bye.